no, I am not going on a beach. Please stuff on their stuff. So, in case if you're interested, I really like. So I don't like simple bottles. So longest time period I had simple bottles, but I always treat for a woman who's looking for substance in her life. Looks आप ले लोगे, substance कहाँ से लाओगे? It's only reading that can give you that's amount of substance. So even if you're not a reader, just buy this book and have a look. Have a look into this book. I think you will find a different perspective to life which I've never seen. Thank you so very much. हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अपराजिता टेल व्लॉग। सो आज के व्लॉग की मैं शुरुआत कर रही हूँ और आपको लग रहा होगा कि अपराजिता अपना बैग वैग लेके रेडी शेडी होके कहाँ जा रही है, राइट? इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस दैट आई brought from Marks and Spencer. It's a last year buy that I have brought this Marks and Spencer dress. It's a cool summery dress. You can wear it in summers. Why I'm talking about summers? Because summers अपनी पूरी स्पीड पे आ चुका है, काफ़ी गर्मी है। तभी आप देख रहे थे कि I'm there with my bag. No, I am not going on a beach. Please, I am not going on a beach. Sunglasses must है गर्मियों में, protect your eyes. ये सबसे important चीज़ है, right? So you should have gratitude that your eyes are working. So take care of it in summers. Wear a specs, good specs, so that you can protect your eyes from the sun rays and also protect your eyes from the heat and the other stuff. Have a masala chash, right, to protect yourself from the heat. It's a nice soothing drink that you can have in summers. Keep it in your bag if you're going for a long travel. In case if you are not, it's completely okay, but keep it in your bag. And of course water bottle. So yeah, so we are almost ready. So this is what my look looks like, right? So yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I just got ready so that we can talk. And there is a water bottle. सर्दी बहुत, सर्दी नहीं, गर्मी लग रही है तो पानी पीते हैं थोड़ा। Yeah, it feels so relieving. There is a dialogue from जब भी मैट which said पानी का काम सिर्फ पानी ही कर सकता है। और सच मानिए, जब आपको प्यास लगी हो ना, आप कोई सा भी जूस पी लीजिए, कोई सी भी ड्रिंक पी लीजिए, छाछ पी लीजिए, कोई काम नहीं करता। पानी का काम बाय गॉड पानी ही कर सकता है। इट्स नाइस। सो वो आप देख लीजिए, आप मटके का पानी पीते हैं, सुराही का पानी पीते हैं या फ्रिज का पानी। दिस इज़ मिक्स वाटर, सो आई डोंट ड्रिंक नॉर्मली फ्रिज का ठंडा ठंडा पानी या एज हो गई है, नहीं पीती उतना मैं, but it's a mixed water that I have. Yeah, so let's start. I'm ready to go, not to go to a beach. So this bag is from Chumbak that I brought way back. This looks pretty, so it's a big bag that you can carry for that nice look that it gives. This bottle is also from Chumbak. Now you'll say ki why everything from Chumbak? It's because that I like artistic things, and Chumbak has this weird, you see, artistic stuff on their stuff. So in case if you're interested, I really like. So I don't like simple bottles. So longest time period I had simple bottles, but I always crave for these type of fancy stuff, creative stuff, which make me feel expressive and nice. So let's begin our vlog for today. So to begin with, हर घर में कोई एक रूम होता है जो बहुत गर्म हो रहा होता है और एक रूम होता है जो बहुत ठंडा हो रहा होता है। सो दिस बाहर वाला my room is a bit what it is, it's a bit like hot for me, and like I said, I was just trying to make sure that you are ready for the summers. Yeah, summers के लिए ready हो जाओ, वरना लू लग जाएगी and you will never get to know कि look कैसे लगी. चश्मा तो बहुत ही important चीज़ है. Also, I want to tell it's not only about looks. It's also about the substance that you carry within yourself. So that's what the emphasis is. It's not always about the look, the stuff. It's also about something which you carry in substance within you. And as a woman, you should always have that substance. Women have, for the longest time period, they have been taught to have that looks. Of course, it's a good thing to have a self-love and an expression for it, and which fundamentally is that you care for yourself, but you should also have substance, right? Substance to carry your life, how you want your life to look like and all those stuff. So you should have what should I say, that urge to understand life more, and how is it running you, what are the patterns and all those stuff, right? So keeping that in mind, just fix my camera, yeah. So coming back to, for the substance, what you can do, you can read a lot. So I'm there with my Kindle to focus on some of the stuff that you should read. So I have a lot of books that I have brought, like this summers, and maybe some of the books you would like to read. So I keep on posting it on my status. So there are nice number of books. Some of the books that I really liked, that I finished reading, is a lovely book which is called Untamed, right? So when you look into this particular book, Untamed, I finished reading it. So just let me get to show you the cover page as to what this book look like, so you can buy it on Kindle. So the first book is this one. It's called, just let me do it, it's called Untamed, Stop Pleasing, Start Living. So this is a book by Untamed, Stop Pleasing, Start Living, Glennon Doyle. It's one of the #1 bestsellers book, must read for a woman who's looking for substance in her life. Looks आप ले लोगे, substance कहाँ से लाओगे? It's only reading that can give you that amount of substance. So even if you're not a reader, just buy this book and have a look into it. It will help you to understand the expression as a woman that you want in your life. It's not about just the looks, but also about the substance, the talks that you put across. It will really help you. So that's the first book I would suggest that you should go for. Like Brené Brown has given like a feedback onto this book, which I'm going to put it across. It says, some books shake you by the shoulders while others steal your heart. Untamed does both at the exact same time. Wake up, love you, right? So that's the feedback you have got from Brené Brown. So don't forget to read this book. If you're planning to read one book this year, do go for this particular book, which is Untamed. Another book is which I am going through is by Stacy, right? So that's a book on to the women health, which is, so lot many people say, why should we read, हमें पढ़ना क्यों है, we don't want to read. फिर ना social media से influence होते रहोगे, substance नहीं बनेगा, looks ही ले लोगे. So this is the second book. It's called Roar, R-O-A-R. It's basically talking about how women can have their unique female physiology for optimum performance, great health, and a strong body for life. So this is what this book likes, Roar by Dr. Stacy Stims. Good book. If you want to understand your physiology, you want to understand when you are at your peak performance, when you want to understand what should you do, not do, please go for this particular book. It's a really nice read, right? Then there are, what are the other books? This one is also, so Maya Shankar. So she has her own podcast for the longest time period. You can read more about Maya Shankar. But she is bringing in something like it's called The Other Side of Change. And Mel Robbins says that's the book we all need. Who we become when life makes other plans. So in my life, I've come across a lot of situations when the world wanted to make me someone else. However, life took its own path because of the situation and circumstances that happened in my life. So this is what this book looks like, which is The Other Side of Change by Maya Shankar. Who we become when life makes other plan. So these are the 3 books that I would suggest you should go through. Right, you should go through this book because it will bring you, and as a woman it will bring a change in your perspective. I would suggest my male readers also to go through these books in order to understand women better. Like, if you see it, I see the world in just 2 ways. There's a masculine force, there is a feminine force, and if we don't understand each other, how is this world going to function? So it's good idea always to understand each other and to make world more acceptable. So yeah, so these are the books. So not just looks, bring in some substance in you, especially the young girls. Bring some substance, read more, write more, express more, find yourself, find where your dreams are taking you, and just be there. So when you have a combination of looks and substance, that's when you mark a real difference in the world starts seeing you, which has been ignoring you for the longest time period, right? So that's it. So I'm done with my blog post for today. So that's it from Aparajita. These sunglasses, I don't recall where I brought it from. Bottle is must. So I'm closing my vlog saying bottle is must. Keep a charge or a drink in summers. Hanky, hanky, hanky. So sweaty. It's so sweaty. I just didn't realize that I'm getting so sweaty. Yeah, that's what is going to happen in summers. Lot of sweat. Keep a hanky, especially for a sweaty person like me. Book, keep a book. Whenever you get bored, just open the book and read it. Make most of your time. Somebody will ask time का क्यों बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन करिए ना, और क्या करोगे. सो दैट्स इट फ्रॉम अपराजिता टेल ब्लॉग्स. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. 3 बुक्स की मैंने रिकमेंडेशन की है आपको. अनटेम्ड बाय ग्लेनन डॉयल, सेकेंड इज रोड बाय डॉक्टर स्टेसी सिम्स, and third is The Other Side of Change by Maya Shankar. Have a look into this book. I think you will find a different perspective to life which you've never seen. Thank you so very much for watching Aparajita Tate vlogs. Looks. So this is what the look. Right, not going to a beach. Just there for you all to express my ideas, view and view. Thank you so very much for watching Aparajita Tate.